Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will share you Democrats' ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So my first idea is handmade coaster cuts are square from denim fabrics into layers together for extra strength. This coaster protects the table and add a roasted touch. Denim flower brooch, cut denim into flower shape and let the petal, add a button or beads in the center. Attach a pin to the back and wear it on a jacket, bag or hat and weavers. Friends, and the weavers plant pot cover. Warp a flower pot with the denim fabric and glue it in place. Decorate with rope or lace for extra charming farmhouse style. And friends, my next idea is weavers. See you in the next video. Take care and to the office.